Hey everybody, Jason Hill here, and today we are going to be making bacon-wrapped salmon kebabs. And it's topped with a parsley vinaigrette. You can use pancetta or applewood bacon. So let's get started. All right, first we're gonna make the parsley vinaigrette. We're gonna start with a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, and then I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, followed by a teaspoon of my garlic shallot puree, or you can use a clove or 2 of garlic. And then next we have 1/2 teaspoon of cracked pepper and kosher salt. And then finally, 3 tablespoons of flat leaf chopped parsley. And we're gonna just whisk this together. Super easy. And we're done. All right, check it out. We have our filet. I've rinsed and patted it dry. I'm using an Arka salmon, which is a luxurious and fatty salmon from Chile that's super sustainable with a mild and clean taste. Okay, now we're gonna skin the salmon. I take my super sharp fillet knife, make a little slot right there, get your finger there, and we're just gonna go under. All right, once the skin's removed, we just wanna cut them into chunks, about a 1.5 inch size chunks to 1 inch. Make our little kebab bites. Okay, we've transferred our bites to a bowl, mixing bowl. I'm gonna add about 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and then hit it with some fresh cracked pepper. And then we're just gonna gently fold the olive oil and pepper onto our bites. All right, so we're using applewood smoked bacon, and I partially cooked this on the pan, because if you use the complete raw bacon, it's not gonna cook enough and you'll overcook your salmon. So I wrapped it around a couple times. I'm gonna go right down the middle. And then we're just gonna continue to do this for the rest of our bites. All right, I've got my grill preheated to 450. We are going to oil the grill. I just take a few paper towels, douse it with some olive oil, go across the grates. Now we're gonna place our skewers on. And these are not gonna take very long at all. Okay, after a few minutes, you can see the fish is starting to cook. I'm gonna give it a little turn. You can see that opaque juice coming out of the salmon. They're almost done. All right, it's been about a total of 6 minutes. I think we are ready. Carefully pull them off the grill. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, it's time to plate up. Take a skewer, set it on your plate, the other one. And then we're gonna wanna drizzle it with a little bit of our parsley vinaigrette. Here you go. I'm gonna use my bare hands. I'm gonna take a bite, taste this awesome salmon. Oh my gosh. What a great flavor. The salmon just melts in your mouth. Give this recipe a try. Try this Arka salmon, you won't be disappointed. And as always, guys, thanks for tuning in.